thing is cam, y'all. Sounds good. Okay, what's going on, family? This your boy Ant. We done made it back. Had a good time up there at O'Reilly's. Met a couple of guys on the page, and also got a lot of video on their cars, and they're talking about their cars and stuff. So we had a great time up there in Gadsden, Alabama. Other than that, I'm going to be posting, because I got a lot of guys' cars, and they're talking about their car, what they did, and what they're going to do to their cars. So for the next couple of weeks, I'm going to be posting 2 or 3 cars on the page, the ones that I interview. Of course, I didn't do mines, and the guys was nice enough they was going to interview me and let me talk about my car, but it was so much I done to it, so I was like, nah. So I'm going to do an upload video of my car and walk around and tell y'all the stuff that I done to my car. So that'll be coming at a later date. But other than that, y'all enjoyed the videos. Everybody have a great night, and that's going to be it. Other than that, don't forget to smash that like button. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe, and also share. Other than that, this your boy. I'm out of here. Peace.